Today's top news headlines. Chief Minister appreciates police personnel for their hard work towards maintaining law and order in state on 131st Manipur Police Raising Day. Process of vacating Assam Rifles camp from Manipur University campus will soon be initiated, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And India records 1,946 fresh COVID cases along with 10 fatalities in past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI THANGJAM. Now the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren appreciated all the Manipur police personnel for their dedicated hard work towards maintaining proper law and order in the state. The Chief Minister was addressing at the observance of 131st Manipur Police Raising Day 2022 at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today. The observance was also attended by cabinet ministers of state, members of parliament, members of Legislative Assembly, Chief Secretary, Director General of Police and high-ranking civil and police officials among others. Chief Minister also handed over the DGP running trophy for the Best Battalion 2022 to 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles, 2nd Best Battalion 2022 to 9th Indian Reserve Mahila Battalion and that of 3rd Best Battalion to 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles. DGP Manipur running trophy for the Best Police Station 2022 was awarded to Bishnupur Police Station, 2nd and 3rd Best Police Station 2022 to Litan Police Station, Ukhrul District and Lamphil Police Station, Imphal West District respectively. The Chief Minister also handed over the DGP Commendation Roll and Discs for different units for the year 2022. The Chief Minister expressed his satisfaction in every effort of Manipur Police during the last 4 to 5 years in the interest of the public. He continued that the boundaries of Manipur along the border of Myanmar, which is around 398 kilometers, were guarded by only Assam Rifles earlier. However, the integrity and hard work of Manipur Police has gained the trust of the Union Home Minister, and as such, the latter had approved setting up of 34 police outposts along the state border from Jesami to Behiang. The Union Home Minister had also approved setting up of 6 barracks along the Imphal-Jirbam highway. Apart from this, the state government had also deployed GPS-enabled highway patrol vehicles along the national highways for providing quick response to any incidents, he added. Deliberating the crucial role taken by police in nation building and maintaining cohesive relationships, the Chief Minister stressed the need to give classes for at least 6 to 7 dialects to Manipur Police personnel once a week at their place of posting. As Manipur is a state with diverse culture and religion, learning and understanding different dialects of the state would be helpful in reducing groupism and promoting oneness, he added, mentioning the contribution of the Manipuri Pony and cavalry in defending the sovereignty and independence of Manipur during the early times. And Biren expressed the idea to introduce cavalry police personnel in and around Imphal, particularly in bazaar areas. He continued that such an initiative would help in preserving and promoting our pony horse breed.
Comprises of first Manipur riding. The 11th contingent is 9 India Reserve. Age of Imphal is Guard male contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector Joy Kumar Singh. Manipur Rifles for the best station 2024.
The publication being released in base battalion. The award consists Commandant
Director Ponsam Dinesh Kumar Singh, Officer in Charge. The winner of the 2nd Best Police Station 2020.
state police in the border objection later, Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji border area Jasami the border police station outpost Kunfra Mari Hambagi area Manipur police would touch up the trust. Trust like the border to police Hamnungam Deva, Maram the insurgency, the Punbarakana, Punmunuga, and the mine, Amakata Meva, and the Masidi, the Punamak clear to Burkanda, Yam Sena, I call it lessons you got so what of the border and no police की personal thing ना कोई integrity तक नहीं बचे Union Home Minister Amit Shah जी ने था जरा central leaders ने था जरा इसे नोने integrity तक जरा anti national और लोगों को संदर्भ drugs की काम लड़ों में काम को संदर्भ तो वर्ग दे central government ने था जरा अब मधु किधर तो सो appreciate हुई अब honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah जी को सो आई अन्ना था जरा
Chief Minister N. Biren has maintained that his government's commitment since its formation in 2017 was to bring bond and blockade free in the state with improved law and order. His first priority as a chief minister was to bridge the gap between hill and valley and also among various communities. He was addressing a seminar organized by Assam Rifles at the City Convention Center, Palace Compound under the theme Future Ready Manipur, Looking Beyond Ethnicity and Insurgency. The seminar was attended by Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution L. Susindrometi, Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar, MLA of Lamlai AC K.H. Ibomsa, Director General of Assam Rifles Lieutenant General P.C. Nair, Vice Chancellor of Universities, senior officers of Assam Rifles and other paramilitary forces and students among others. The seminar was an initiative of Assam Rifles undertaken annually to exchange ideas, views and share the perspective of diverse stakeholders in the region. The initiative was undertaken in accordance with the Memorandum of Understanding signed by Manipur University and Assam Rifles for restoring peace and ushering in prosperity in the Northeast. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister expressed thankfulness to Assam Rifles, Manipur Police and other paramilitary forces for their contribution in connecting and maintaining healthy relations with the public. He expressed that the armed forces and the public need to change the mindsets and views towards each other as the law and order situation of the state had considerably improved. The government has successfully rolled out numerous outreach programs, bridging developmental gaps and ensuring deeper emotional integration. He observed that Manipur had lost opportunities in the past due to problems of insurgency and polarization on ethnic lines, and added resolving identity-based issues requires a comprehensive approach based on mutual respect and a collective aspiration of a shared and united future. The Chief Minister further stated that being a border state, problems of drugs and illegal immigration not only present a socio-economic problem but also has security dimensions. He added that the state government had been making all efforts under its initiative of War on Drugs 2.0 to tackle the problem of drugs in the state. And Biren expressed satisfaction to learn that the Assam Rifles had signed a memorandum of understanding with Manipur University for organizing such seminars to brainstorm ideas for a prosperous and peaceful Manipur. He also requested Lieutenant General P.C. Nair, Director General Assam Rifles, to initiate the process of vacating the Assam Rifles camp from the Manipur University campus. He also expressed hope that the seminar would provide tools to chart a way towards a prosperous and peaceful Manipur.
To state that now only Assam Rifle is looking our borders. Our border with Myanmar is around 398 kilometers. Only Assam, we are depending on Assam Rifle. Now, after my request to the Honorable Union Home Minister has accepted and conveyed to open 34 police outposts along with the border of the Myanmar, and it will definitely have in tackling with the illegal drugs or illegal immigrants or whatever the illegal armed trade, and it will also have to the Assam Rifles. The government has thus rightfully given a huge push for development of Northeast to fulfill its vision, and it is the responsibility of all stakeholders in this region to grab this opportunity and transform Northeast from its earlier state of neglect and isolation into an economically and socially vibrant region.
Residents of Thangmaiban Watam Lerak urged that the concerned authority repair the drainage system there and threatened to block the road until it is fixed. Speaking to the media regarding the issue, Watam Lerak Merapaibi member Watam Taibema stated that the unfinished drain began to crack before it was used. She questioned on the road construction work as it began before finishing the drainage work. The General Secretary of the Thangmaiban Improvement Lab, L. Sunil, stated that the road has been in poor shape for a number of years and that the community was pleased when the state government announced plans to fix it. The road may not last for long due to poor drainage. Therefore, he urged the concerned authority to fix it as soon as the road work is finished.
Mayam gi lekai gi phanaba gi damak tani koi na koi awa puna makhanga chu sang ba silak pani ba ado jik da koilas tarani na hawgale nung sai ba khopa kadi kra to khle yam harau ye koi adu drain si chandana kamai koilas tha duino ba hana gi drain si putha dan lai ba drain si chanda di chorok si loi nang nem thare adum hana gi hani hamu tarani drain je loi kai re ba hujik sinna dri ba koi gi drain je kai ra ba si da bu koi kamai to koilas tha duino ba aduna koi koilas tha ba chu tingjin jare
Mitar chani changwa ki lambi sang nala sida mayai da na to khalaba matai mandai kuthar leire awang na chender maning na chender mathum khangdaba sisi manadre koi mari no engineer na yengchen bidabra karina lo khangde masi mo koi yengchen ningi yaraga di lambi si yam thune sembiu nala ji yam thuna thu matam no sembiu quality yaun biu adu lambi kora san biu sine koi na haje doina nala semjing ai da lambi sem khopado tawiganu.
A house-to-house survey was conducted today in the Komidok and Kabesoy rented residential area by the Kairang Komidok Gram Panchayat on the theme of Let's Save the Indigenous People to identify non-locals staying illegally. The survey was conducted with the team of Hengang PS along with members of Gram Panchayat. Jesabam Nurzaman stated that in order to support the Chief Minister who is implementing various measures to protect the indigenous people and to limit the arrival of non-locals unlawfully, they conducted this survey with the help of the locals. He further appealed to the Kairang Gram Panchayat to not retain any non-locals without ILP. A team under the Gram Panchayat has been formed to ensure the survey's success so that it can be continued at various stages.
Kabaishoy dagi onera mas main torga fare ko haibagi tangkat amakhat yam viral hoikiba Honorable Minister Manipur su koi magi resmita ba phongdok bi ba madu tasena yam kumna panchayat na thijar kanda koi Kairang Komidok panchayat ki area manung do ram daba koi YOC koi khurai haiba adugi koi ground koi ang kaina sing magi jaga oiba adung ba area am khaktagi koi lamlai PS na kanu tawkhibani mau pick up tawkhibani rangai phatana koi Kairang Komidok GP ki manung do ram ga hangang PS su mau pick up tawang ni area tongan manina admai tawkhib sima Manipur miyam dai koi sendosage Kabaishoy ki jaga di oi harga su hariba area chapchaba masana lebiba jaga loha gi tina gi ground ram mofam sidi koi jurisdiction si koi lamdai PS ki oiba amasung among lai gi jaga YOC ground gi adum bamfam jaga am khaktagi mabu admai tawra phakibani haibo hom sima thamjage.
MLA Jang Hemlung Panmei of Tamenglong today inaugurated JK Filling Station BPCL at Tamenglong Village near Don Bosco High School. The program was attended by church leaders, CSOs leaders, village authority leaders and well-wishers. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Jang Hemlung said now Tamenglong can remove backwards district tax and replace as the most developing district as there are many development projects on the way. He stated that people of Tamenglong should be ready to take the responsibility of ownership to this development. Development has just started as Tamenglong Khongsang Road, Imphal Kangchup Tamenglong ADB Road and Tamenglong Ring Road are in the progress. JK Filling Station is part of development in Tamenglong and MLA thanks JK Kamei family for bringing development in the district. He urges the public to work together to make Tamenglong a most developed district in India. Charles Liangdiang, former ADC member, said our prayer was being answered through the JK Kamei family. He said Tamenglong is developing in many areas. JK Kamei, owner of the JK Filling Station, thanked the landowner for allowing their family to set up the fuel filling station in Tamenglong village. Bharat Petroleum also mentioned that JK Filling Station will be attached with a micro ATM for public and public can dispense cash as well as fuel from this station. Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Pony TV na makhal mathel gi thoram sing sanduk tuna miyam gi seva tawjari masida hena mai pak na bagi damma Pony TV ki YouTube channel amadi Facebook page ta like amadi subscribe tawbiro loina na MCTV ki channel number 988 amadi ISCOM gi channel number 142 da miyam na meeting tabiduna mapung faba channel ama ohenbiu
hena mai pak channel ama oina bagi damma Pony TV ki contact number 9362511104 da contact tawbiro Makada pijariba contact number natraga email asida miyamna suggestion pibirak na bahajari
miyam gi suggestion bu khawramna ngaijari
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. As part of ongoing Clean India 2.0 campaign, Nehru Yuva Kendra Thoubal under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India conducted mega cleanliness drive and plug run at District Hospital Thoubal and Kangabok Higher Secondary School campus today. The drive was organized by NYK Thoubal in collaboration with District Administration Thoubal, Thoubal Municipal Council, District Health Society Thoubal, Indian Red Cross Society, NSS and NCC units of Kangabok Higher Secondary School. Mega cleanliness drive with focus on single-use plastic waste was first started at Kangabok Higher Secondary School campus and followed by a plugging run from the school campus to District Hospital Thoubal with the message of creating a plastic-free atmosphere. It was participated by volunteers NYK Thoubal students from Kangabok Higher Secondary School and staffs of today's program collaborating offices. Participants picked and cleaned up 108 cases of single-use plastic waste and that comprises of plastic bottles, plastic cans, polythene bags and other plastic items. A mega cleanliness drive and plug run was also organized by Nehru Yuva Kendra Chandal today in collaboration with Holistic Development KBC, Kapam Youth Club, Eco Club Kapam, NSS units and 65M Girls BN NCC of Semco College and District Administration Chandal. A short awareness program on Clean India 2.0 was held at Thoma Memorial Hall, followed by a plugging run from Hall to Kapam Indoor Stadium, where a social service focused on plastic waste was conducted at the grounds, and the plugging run continued from there to the highway. The program was graced by DYO Chandal, Michael Mate, Dr. Heminlal Haukib, lecturer Semco, Telfom Sang Kaling, national level air rifle shooter, Parthar Nungchim, Eco Club advisor Dr. Marang Tem Santirani, NSSPO Semco, and Ngamten Serbam Moyon, NSSPO Semco. Over 100 youths participated in the cleanliness drive and about 100 cases of plastic waste were collected. District Legal Services Authority Chandal, under the aegis of Manipur State Level Services Authority, today organized a review-cum-interactive meeting with the legal aided beneficiaries and panel lawyers to review the challenges, way forward and success stories as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav campaign at Chief Judicial Magistrate Court Complex, Chandal District. The program was participated by beneficiaries who were provided legal assistance by District Legal Services Authority, Chandal, and the Legal Aid Councils. The program was chaired by Kimnainga Kipgen, Secretary, District Legal Services Authority, Chandal. Challenges faced by the beneficiaries as well, legal counsels in case proceedings were discussed in the meeting. Success stories on the benefits of providing legal aid to the beneficiaries were also shared by the participants. An awareness program was organized today at Lamjing Mera Sindam Sang School in Borabi as part of a month-long Thangta Day observation on the theme of Thangta for an ethical way of living under the aegis of KIMEX. The program was attended by Lamjing Mera Sindam Sang School's founder, secretary, and Ibom Jamete, Vice Principal R.K. Sadananda, Chairman of Thangta Day Observation Committee THANGJAM, Dharmendra Mete, and Class 9 and 10 students. Addressing at the event, Chairman of Thangta Day Observation Committee THANGJAM, Dharmendra Mete, stated that education is not for just obtaining government job, but rather for the ability to make the right choices for a better and more cohesive society. He said, therefore, students can learn more from experts and seniors during students' life. He claimed that society won't be strong until we are aware of our roots and treat elders with respect. A team of 24 sportspersons and 3 officials left Imphal today to take part in the 14th Akshay Kumar Kudo International Tournament, 13th Kudo National Tournament, and 3rd Kudo Federation Cup 2022-2023, which is to be organized under the supervision of Kudo International Federation of India from 24 to 30 October at UCA Tarsadia University, Bordoli, Surat, Gujarat. The Manipur Kudo team was flagged off by the President of Kudo Association of Manipur, Dr. Huidrom Raman, from Kuman Lampak Sports Complex in presence of Northeast Technical Director of Kudo International Federation of India, Marangthim Devan, Advisor of Kudo Association of Manipur, Kyoshi Tala Ahmad, Sorokhaibam Rajeshwar, Kanguzam Babu, and Lecturer of CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal, R.K. Romila. In continuation with the efforts to ensure enrollment of potential youths in armed forces, Kuga Battalion of Assam Rifles conducted physical test trial for students appearing in Agnivir, Assam Rifles and SSC recruitment rally at Kuga of Churachandpur district yesterday. The physical test trial was conducted with an aim to guide the local promising youths of the region about physical standards and necessary documents required for upcoming SSC and Agnivir recruitment rally. The team of Assam Rifles helped the local youths in their preparation, and a total of 43 eligible potential candidates have participated in the said event. Loktak Battalion Assam Rifles under the aegis of HQ IZAR South distributed 10 sewing machines with complete accessories under Assam Rifles Civic Action Program for women of Gothal village in Churachandpur district today. The local authorities, especially the women, had approached Assam Rifles to provide sewing machines in order to uplift the living conditions of local populace of the region. The request of locals was fulfilled by prompt action of Assam Rifles, which will not only empower the women but also will help in earning a living, thus uplifting the living conditions of the locals of the region. A total of 120 locals, including women, were present during the event, who applauded the efforts of the battalion for the noble gestures. Outgoing Congress President Sonia Gandhi today visited party chief-elect Mallikarjun Kharge at his residence in New Delhi after Kharge swept the party's high-stakes presidential polls today, paving the way for him to become the Congress' first non-Gandhi president in over 2 decades. While Kharge received 7,897 of the total 9,385 votes, his opponent Shashi Tharoor trailed behind with 1,072 votes. Kharge will replace interim Congress chief Sonia Gandhi, who has been occupying the post ever since Rahul Gandhi stepped down after the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. A Lashkar-e-Taiba hybrid terrorist who was arrested following the death of 2 laborers from Kanauj area of Uttar Pradesh in a grenade blast in Sopian has been killed in an anti-terror operation in Jammu and Kashmir. The encounter started between terrorists and security forces in the Naugam area of Sopian after 78 hours of civilian killings in the district. Incriminating material, including arms and ammunition, were seized from the encounter site. A 40-year-old woman from Delhi was allegedly kidnapped by 5 men in Ghaziabad and gang-raped and tortured for 2 days. According to Ghaziabad Superintendent of Police Nipun Agarwal, they were alerted about the women lying near Ashram Road that connects the satellite town to Delhi, and when they reached the spot, they found the women in a very serious condition in a pool of blood with an iron rod still inside her. The police took her to the GTP hospital and registered her complaint. As per the complaint, the woman was returning to Delhi after a birthday party in Ghaziabad and was dropped off at the bus stand by her brother. While she was waiting for the bus, a car approached the woman and 5 men dragged her into it. They took her to an undisclosed location and allegedly raped her. Police said the woman is in a critical condition. India recorded a total of 1,946 fresh COVID cases along with 10 fatalities due to the infection in past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,34,376. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 2,417 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,923. Out of the 10 fatalities, 6 were from Kerala, 2 from Maharashtra, and 1 each from Haryana and West Bengal. Taking the Delhi positivity rate at 0.75%, the total active cases has declined to 25,968 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.76% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.41 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Chief Minister appreciates police personnel for their hard work towards process of vacating Assam Rifles camp from Manipur University campus will soon be initiated, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And India records 1,946 fresh COVID cases along with 10 fatalities in past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.